What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Every Brand Breakdown. My name is Eric. We are going through every letter of the alphabet. We are currently on the letter L. We are going to do a lesser known brand today. I know everyone wanted to see like Lululemon or LL Bean or Lacoste or something, but it's going to be a little bit of a shorter video today. We're going to do a lesser known brand. And if you haven't already checked out the playlist, I will put a link to it. First link in the description. The playlist is awesome. It's got all the Every Brand breakdowns in it. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or concerns, or you want to recommend a brand to be broken down, and the next brand is M, and then we're going to go NOP, QRS, TUV, WX, Y, and Z, and then we're going to start all over again back at A. Feel free to leave a recommendation in the comments of a brand you want to see broken down. Okay, so today we are going over LOUDMOUTH. Yes, LOUDMOUTH. You guys have heard of this, but it's a lesser known brand. They're definitely not like super popular, but in the golf community, people know. Like, this guy's golfing. That's primarily where they started. What they are known for is golf pants, shorts, skirts, skorts, mini shorts, skorts, all that stuff. They started in the year 2000. This dude was a graphic designer. He made pants with, I think, Looney Tunes characters on all over them, and then those became popular. Some celebrities wore them, and then he's expanded the brand since then. They not only make shorts and pants now, they make shirts, they make hats, they make vests. They have an online outlet. I've never even seen the online outlet before. 60% off men's pants. I never even knew this existed. Some stuff goes to the outlet. Maybe that's where people are getting their inventory, some of their inventory new with tags for eBay. Usually they sell brand new for anywhere between $99 for the long pants up to, I think I saw a couple pairs for $110, maybe $120, something like that. Shorts, anywhere from $79 to $90. Their best sellers are the pants, shorts, skorts, and mini shorts, which means that's probably what you're going to be finding at the thrift stores. This company has only been around since 2000. Their website looks like it's still from the early 2000s. It's kind of funny. They do these crazy all-over prints that are loud and proud, and they get licensing, I guess, for whatever logos and trademarks that they're putting all over it. And it's like free advertising for that company, and they get a cool product out of it. There's an Argyle Corona. Take a look at eBay really quick. Just LOUDMOUTH. There's some with bids. I really wouldn't put bids on these. I've always done buy it now. 2,100 results. Not that saturated. It's for men's and women's. And then we're going to go to completed. 1,675 completed. We go to sold. 1,349 sold. That's about like an 81% sell-through rate, 82%, something like that. So that's pretty good. Look, ended recently. That one's new with tags, sold for $90. Pair sold for $60, $30. The men's tend to sell a little bit better than the women's, and then of course everything's gonna be print dependent. Certain popular prints, like, I don't know, these beer shorts sold for $56, but these shorts only sold for $15.50, but that's also on bids, and he has a sideways picture. This person just chucked their shorts on a couch, so nobody, oh my gosh, look at this one. He didn't take any care in taking the pictures, but we're going to take a look. There's the inside. They have this LOUDMOUTH print on it, but there isn't really a tag on the waist. The tag is on the zipper. Hopefully I can get another picture and show you guys that. So if you're flipping through the shorts, the thing that's going to stand out on these are the prints. You usually can see them right off the bat on the rack if you just glance. Here's a good example of the LOUDMOUTH logo. You'll see this on the outside of the pants, that LM, it's embroidered. Sometimes you got to kind of look for that. It blends in because the prints are so crazy. I'll show you right here. There you go. It's right there, but you might not have seen that on the, there it is, right there, LM, and yeah, look at the tag. It doesn't say have anything about the logo on the tag. It's literally just that LM, and then sometimes the inside has that LOUDMOUTH print. You're not going to get crazy high sales, but you're going to get very consistent price points with this. Like if I go highest price, LOUDMOUTH also makes golf bags, and these are all new golf bags. Probably going to find the clothes more than anything. Let's go to used. So go to used, lot 2. There you go. PBR, 89 bucks. Like the highest you're probably going to sell them for is like 80, 90, maybe $100. But your price point's probably going to be closer to like anywhere from 35 to 65, 70. And then you just have to wait it out, find the print. Don't auction these off and throw them on your couch and get $14 for them. Well, this guy just proved me wrong. He did a common size, so size 34, and they're shorts, so you don't really have to do the length. And he got $65. So that wasn't a bad auction. And maybe this grass print is popular. I don't know, but that's pretty good. If the shorts retailed for 79 and he got 64 plus 7, he got 70 bucks for these used shorts. Golf grass. It's pretty cool. It's a tag that should be on the zipper. I don't know where that tag is on these shorts, but size 34, common size shorts, not pants. So he auctioned it. He proved me wrong. Auctions definitely not going to do better overall. Men's are going to do a little bit better than women's just because they were more expensive new. Men are a little bit less weird about buying used clothes, and I think men play golf more so than women, but not everybody uses these for golf. They do. Oh, there we go. There's some ladies SpongeBob shorts. That's pretty cool. But not everybody uses these for golf. They are more of getting into just like a casual fashion loud shorts. Gonna take a look on Poshmark. Naked ladies, Golf Island. Skort asking 35. Let's see what the highest they're asking for. That's in search of. Sports coats 300. I've never found a sport coat. Probably can get over 100 for that based off of the way that it looks. And we're going to go to sold. And there you go. Astros vest. Florida State Argyle. Houndstooth. That's a pair of 2. Pabst Blue Ribbon. I've sold these duck shorts right here. I think I sold them for 50, and they were embroidered. It wasn't a print. I think I sold them for like 50 or 55 on eBay. Those ones sold for 60 on Posh. Pretty straightforward. Prints stand out pretty easy on the racks. You just have to be in the know, and then you'll find them, especially if you're thrifting in a somewhat popular golfing community. I'm sure you've found these before, or you'll find them in the future. But that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple brand, not much to it. If you guys haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, recommendations of brands, put them in the comments section. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.